Surprise. Kuja. Close your eyes. I want to surprise you. Surprise. Aya, fungua. Open your eyes. Wait. Don't open. Hey, do you know what that is, eh? Look at that, guys, eh? I've surprised Abby. And she's very happy.
Hey!
Eh? Look at that. From Kilimall. Guys, we ordered this just some few days ago. And it's here. Look at that, eh? Wacha tuwaonyeshe. Let's open it so that we can see what's inside here. From what? From where? Kilimall. So open. We see what's inside here. Guys, guess what? Comment hapo chini uone ni nini. Wow, and it's so big, eh? Look at that. Unboxing our guess what? Guess what's inside here? Inside this box, eh? Guess what? Done. So these are the two boxes here. Show it this side first. The other side. Guys, we got this now, eh? Now it's content. Overflowing content. Let's see what's inside there. Wow, you have to be very careful. Wow, that's a ring light, man. Look at that. Ring light. We have those are to be fixed on the stand, I think. Is that a microphone?
Yeah, this is a microphone.
We have a microphone here. Let me see. Yeah. So it comes a ring light, a microphone, and doo-doo. Guys, we've got a tripod stand. Yeah. Look at that. Look at that. We have a tripod stand now. Hey, we have to shoot videos comfortably.
It's already standing on its own.
Should we assemble this?
Yes.
Let's assemble this.
Aniambia, hii ukitaka kama umekaa pale, unataka kustopisha.
Oh.
Unafinya tu remote badala ya kuamuka. Unafinya remote na ina
ya kustop kwa simu.
Kwa simu.
Ai, si tuko sawa basi.
Hata nimemuuliza leo kazi ya remote ni nini ndio alikuwa ananiambia.
By the way, it's for camera. Una record afu
unastopisha ukitaka.
Hata mimi venye nimekuja haraka hivi.
Ndio fundi hapo.
Iko wapi manual? Hata sijui.
Hii kitu iko na manual, sijaona.
Hakuna kwa hii box. Wewe utajua aje? Simu yako iko wapi tu? Let's assemble this. Here's our tripod stand, So there's this thing here. You can let's open. Hey, and it's it helps in moving this lower part. Hey, why is it not moving? Yes, like that. We want to place it so that it can be stable. And why is it loose? Ama kuna kitu kimenini? Okay, like that. Ensure that it goes stable. Then and you ensure that it's tight, so that it doesn't shake or move while shooting. Then we come to this second bit. This one, it will help you in elongating the strand. Then you lock it when it reaches the height that you want, like that. Ensure that it's strong. Then when we come to this upper side, we'll also open this knob. Yeah, you see? So it can be as long as, I think it's around 12. Let me see the box. This thing can, this thing, I'll let it to this level so that we can fix it. Then there is this thing, but then this whole box came without a manual, so we put this one here. Like that. Then we will take this phone holder or camera holder. It didn't come like this, so we put this one here. Then fix it like this. This thing is steady. Then there is this thing here. We put it here while facing down. There's somewhere it reaches, I think. That's the end of this. Then you see this one. This, if you don't use a ring light, you can remove this thing. Oops, sorry. So if you don't use the ring light, it's just the phone. Methinks you'll put the phone holder here. You see, this thing can move to any direction. So you'll put your, where is this, your phone here. Aish, I think this assembling has gone wrong. Then your phone here. But I want to show you with the ring light, fixing the ring light. So with the ring light, you'll have to place this thing facing upwards. Then you tighten the knob. Thereafter, you take your ring light like this. Hold this wire so that it doesn't distract me. There is this thing here. You put it like this. Round and round. Oh no, I didn't want to let the wire. Until you feel it's tight enough and strong enough. Not yet. You see? Hey, doesn't tighten. Okay. I think we've reached that point. That it has tightened. Well, come to our rescue, men. Then, after your place, now you'll take your camera holder You see, it didn't come like this, it was like this. It came when it was like this. So you open this thing, you place in your, I don't know what it's called, then you tighten. You tighten it like that. Then this thing, you can put it in here. Then it's done, dusted. Then you are ready to put your phone. Let me take our phone so that I can show you how we do it. Oh my God. So this is how you we are done. Then you'll take the, we want to put on the, to switch on the ring light, so we put it to here. Have an extension there. We have a remote. So how do we use this? Wow. So you click the mode button. Let's try this down and up, what it means. No change. Oh, it reduces the light. Wow. Then if you press the up button, the light becomes brighter and brighter. If you want to use right beam, how do I look? Wow. You want to change the colors, the motion of the colors. Wow. Looks so nice. You see that? So nice. So we have, this package came with a microphone. I think microphone, we just put it in the, what is it? And this is the remote. There is a remote here. While recording, you can pause, and there is a microphone. So this is the microphone. You'll just, while recording, you'll just put it in here, just like a normal headphone or headset. Then this thing, you'll put it in your, on your cloth, a piece of cloth. Guys, that's it. That's our stand, tripod stand, and our ring light fixed, our microphone fixed. Look at that. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Kindly don't forget to subscribe to More and Pime World and watch more videos like this. Since now we have this set, we will shoot content anytime, even at the night of the during the night, midnight, and what have you. Thank you so much. Subscribe and bye. Love you all.